For the exterior of the instrument, clean it with a cloth. If necessary, use a soft cloth or paper towel dampened with clean water. Do not use any organic solvent to clean the instrument. For the interior of the instrument, place the 2 empty cartridges in the slots. When there is spillage of liquid reagents, abnormal dropping of the magnet sleeve, or any crack in the amplification tube, clean the interior of the instrument. Apply the aerosol eliminating spray on a dust-free cloth. Wipe the area around the slots, except the area inside the slots, and the sensor for the magnet sleeve. To prepare the aerosol eliminating spray, remove the package of the freeze-dried reagent. Remove the cap of the tube. Put the tube in the bottle. Invert the bottle 10 times. If you need to buy this spray, contact the sales representative. Use the spray only after the tests are completed. Do not run any test within 8 hours. The spray does not affect test results after 8 hours. Prepare the spray immediately before use. Use the spray within 3 hours of preparation. Dispose of the spray after cleaning the instrument. The spray eliminates nucleic acid only and does not lead to secondary contamination. Perform UV irradiation once a week. Manually turn on the UV lamp and leave it to run for at least 30 minutes. After each test is completed, the UV lamp is automatically turned on and runs for 10 minutes. When the UV lamp is on, if the front door is opened, the instrument automatically turns off the UV lamp. To manually turn on the UV lamp, on the right of the status bar, select the UV lamp icon. Select the 30 minutes button. Select the on button. When the timer runs out, the UV lamp is automatically turned off. After 1,000 tests are completed, a pop-up window appears to remind you of replacing the HEPA filter. To replace the HEPA filter, Step 1. Turn off the instrument. Make sure that the instrument is powered off before the replacement. Step 2. Loosen the 2 thumb screws on the dust filter on the back of the instrument. Pull the cover out. Step 3. Remove the old HEPA filter in the cover. Press a new HEPA filter into place. Step 4. Push the cover back into place in the dust filter. Tighten the 2 thumb screws. Step 5. Turn on the instrument. In the pop-up window that displays, "Please replace HEPA filter," select the OK button. In the pop-up window that displays, "Please confirm whether it has been replaced," select the OK button. The HEPA filter replacement is completed.